Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once more. So this is the easiest way how you can get the Monad Faucet to perform some transactions like minting of Monad NFTs and so forth. So guys, the first thing you need to do once you go to this website, it is called moxie.finance. moxie.finance. Just search in your web browsers and then we take you to the website. It's a wallet actually. Then first thing you need to do is you have to connect your Telegram account, whichever Telegram account. Just click on connect Telegram account. As you can see in your browser, is either you are using a mobile phone or a or a laptop computer. So it simply takes you to this website. This is actually a wallet where you can be able to mint, where you can be able to get Faucet to perform some minting. As you can see, free Monad Faucet. You can claim 0.1 moon every day, meaning that you only claim one. So once we click on this place, we click on get Faucet. As you can see, now we are going to send the claimed Faucet to our wallet. So as you can see, we click on send, and then as you can see, we have our moon token here, and we have 0.1 moon tokens. As you can see, now you just have to impute the amount you want to send, but we are going to impute 0.9 moon because of some transaction fees. So after imputing 0.9 moon, we are going to impute the address you want to send it to. So after imputing the address we are sending it to, as you can see, we are imputing the address you want to send it to. After imputing the address, you click on send. So as you can see, you click on send. Once you click on send, you will make sure that the amount you are transferring, you should have at least a little bit for the transaction fees. As you can see, transaction is successful. So guys, make sure to subscribe and follow for more.